Wow! Oh my god, it looks so pretty! I love it. It's so good, so juicy. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Healthy Eats with Priya. On this channel, you're going to find healthy recipes ranging from high protein, low carb meals to even healthy snack tubes. But healthy doesn't have to be boring or complicated. So if you're looking for healthy meals which are easy to cook and also taste delicious, you have come to the right place. So this is a very special video because this is my very first YouTube video and I was like, why not start with something comforting yet very healthy. So in this video, we're going to be making turkey meatballs served with garlic cauliflower rice. So let's jump right into the recipe. So guys, for turkey meatballs, I'm going to be using ground turkey. I'm using the turkey breast to keep it lean. I'm going to be using 2 eggs, rolled oats and some chopped onions. And for cauliflower rice, I'm going to be using this organic rice cauliflower from frozen section. I prefer frozen cauliflower because it has longer shelf life and whenever you crave or you want that cauliflower rice, it's right in your freezer. And since we're making it garlicky, I'm also going to be using fresh garlic. And of course, I have a bunch of spice right here to spice up everything. So let's start making our turkey meatballs. I'm going to put ground turkey in a bowl, 2 eggs, and then I chopped in the onions. So I'm going to throw in the onions. So guys, since we're making a healthier version of turkey meatballs, I'm using the oats. You can absolutely use panko or breadcrumbs, but again, we want to make it healthy. I'm just going to put a scoop of oats in this mixture. Let's put all the spices in there. Salt, cumin powder, some garlic, ginger powder. I love ginger. Coriander powder, some paprika, and black pepper. Let's mix all the ingredients together. I'm going to use my hands. So guys, fun fact about me, I don't really eat beef, so I make turkey meatballs. But if you eat beef, you can use the same recipe for making beef meatballs. You can also make chicken meatballs. Basically, use your imagination, whatever meat you want to choose. So I have my trays lined with parchment paper and I'm just going to make these turkey meatballs. Guys, another reason I love these turkey meatballs is that you can make it in large batches and it's so versatile. Like for my daughter, she likes to eat this traditionally with pasta. So I literally saute it in butter and pasta sauce and I serve it with pasta. So yes, it's so versatile. So I'm going to spray in some olive oil on it and then we'll put it in the oven 375 for about 28 minutes. So guys, I've already preheated the oven to 375 and I'm going to put this right in for 28 minutes. So while the turkey is cooking in the oven, let's chop some fresh garlic. So guys, we all know the health benefits of garlic and the bonus is it tastes so good. Personally, I love to use garlic in almost everything I make. Alright, so let's start cooking our cauliflower rice. So in a pan, I'm going to put in some olive oil and then I'm going to throw garlic in there. So guys, now that our garlic is completely caramelized, I'm going to throw in my rice cauliflower in the pan. Pro tip, if you want to use less oil, you can always put in some water. That's how I reduce the calorie content. So I'm just going to put a little water, and then I'm going to put only salt and black pepper. Give it a nice stir. Oh, it's smelling so good. So guys, it smells so good and it's almost ready. I am loving my cauliflower rice. Wow. So guys, the turkey meatballs are ready. Let's pull them from the oven. Wow. So everything is ready, and with good food, you also want to have nice presentation, good plating. So let's start plating our food. I'm going to be using this hot sauce, and I'm going to swoop it around like a chef. Ooh. Let's put 3 turkey meatballs, cauliflower rice, maybe a little bit more. Let's make it even more pretty by adding colors. I'm going to be using my bell peppers, putting it all around my plate. Oh my god, looking so pretty. And because I'm Indian and I love spicy, I'm also going to be putting some green chilies. Alright, my plating is done, and oh my god, it looks so pretty. Alright, now comes the tasting part. Let me start off with the turkey first, with a little bit of hot sauce. I love it. It's so good, so juicy. Now I'm going to taste the cauliflower rice with maybe a bell pepper, or maybe like green chili. I want to show you guys how spicy I can eat. I tell you guys, this cauliflower rice doesn't even taste like cauliflower. I mean, honestly, it's as good as rice minus the carbs. So it's a win-win. So I'm going to take one more bite, mixing my turkey and cauliflower. Love it. It's absolutely delicious. So everyone, that is all for today's video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Show me some love and subscribe to my channel to see more of my healthy recipes. And by the way, if you try this recipe, definitely comment below on how the recipe turned out for you. And I'll come back with more healthy, quick recipes. Bye now. Love you all.